Oke teman-teman car lovers, di video ini gue bakal ngerekamin hasil suara yang ada di mobil Toyota Hilux yang satu ini ya teman-teman, yang kita bangunkan sistem audionya dengan konsep rookie nih teman-teman. Oke, tanpa berpanjang lebar gue bakalan langsung ngerekamin hasil suaranya. Teman-teman jangan lupa gunakan headset ya, dan untuk metodenya gue akan direct bluetooth dari device gue ke head unit langsung. Oke.
Suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rain a falling, seems I hear your voice a calling. It's alright. It's a rainy night in Georgia. It seems it's raining all over the world. Feels like it's raining all over the world. Neon lights are flashing, taxi cabs or buses passing through the night. Distant moaning of the train seems to play a sad refrain to the night. It's a rainy night in Georgia, a rainy night in Georgia. Lord, I feel like it's raining all over the world. I believe that it's raining all over.
As we left the lowlands far below, when we spent the spring on the western shore, as happy as anyone ever before, and the winter that found us hunkered down in the small stone cottage in the island town, for months of the blessed absence of light, when we never left each other's sight. I can taste the salt, I can smell the peat, with you and the whiskey so bitter and sweet. I remember the season in Glasgow town, with our snug little attic and the pub right round. As our friends came by for a sing or a talk, and our vicious fight on that cold dawn walk. I remember the castle where we vowed to meet, and the fog rolled in on Prince's Street, and all the town was a cold grey stone as I turned up my collar and I sat there alone. If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, oh, bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me, yeah, yeah. I'll give you jewelry, money too, but that's not all I'll do for you. Oh, bring it to me, bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me, yeah, yeah. You know I'll lend my trusty friend. I lived my heart and my soul. We'll take a cover, sweet kindness. Bienvenue dans ma vie. Tout est brillant ici. It's warm inside. My door is open to my life. Everything's full of light. Il fait cri dehors. Ne t'inquiète pas, mon amour. Plein de couleurs dans mon cœur. You can see from far away. It's a kind of place you like to stay. Kick off your shoes, forget your strife. There's a light on in the hall, leading to a place where you can fall and rest your head, close your eyes. Welcome to my life.
Just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. 'cause I'm coming to get you, get you, get you all night, I'm on my way. Sweet, I guess.